Whether it's growing a small business or launching big online stores, Shopify is one of the most popular platforms for creating and managing e-commerce websites. And if you're looking to start your own online shop, or you're just curious about how all it works, then you've come to the right place. I've used Shopify to create multiple websites and stores of my own, and its clean, intuitive interface makes it easy, even for beginners like myself, to create a professional looking site. And in today's video, I'm giving you a crash course on the ins and outs of Shopify, what it is and how it works. I'll break down some of its key features and take you step by step through how you can use it to build an engaging online storefront. So if you want to get your products on the web and start selling with ease, make sure to stick around to the end. Now, let's get into it. All right, so what exactly is Shopify? Well, basically, it's a cloud-based service that handles all things e-commerce, from website hosting to security and payment gateways. And it offers a wide range of customizable templates so you can design your store to match your brand's unique style and message. Plus, whether you're selling physical goods or digital products, Shopify provides all the tools you need, from product management and payment processing to shipping and analytics, all in one place. And because of how convenient and powerful it is, it's widely considered to be the top choice for e-commerce software. In my opinion, the simplicity and features that Shopify offers make it an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes looking to establish or expand their online presence. Now, if you're looking to try it out, let's take a closer look at how Shopify works and break it down step by step. First, you'll start by choosing a plan or signing up for a free trial, since Shopify lets you test the platform risk-free for a couple of weeks without asking for any credit card details. This gives you a chance to explore all its features without any upfront commitment. So you can jump right into building your online store using Shopify's plug-and-play themes. Then you can customize these templates to match your brand. Now, you don't need any extensive technical skills for this. So even if you're not a design expert, the process is simple enough to get your site up and running quickly. Next, the setup wizard will help you connect your sales channels. So whether you want to sell on your own website, via social media, or through online marketplaces, you can easily integrate these channels right from the start. And its flexible approach lets you adjust or even add new channels later on as your business grows. Then once your channels are set up, you'll add in your product data, and Shopify makes it simple to enter details like pricing, descriptions, images, and inventory for each product. And if you're sourcing items instead of making them yourself, you can also tap into Shopify's Handshake wholesale network or connect with dropship vendors. Though, one thing to note here is that managing a large catalog requires a bit more organization, but Shopify's user-friendly dashboard really helps to keep everything in order. So once your products are ready, the next step is setting up payments, and you can activate Shopify payments with just one click, which lets you start accepting credit card transactions immediately. But if you prefer a different payment method like PayPal, Shopify supports over 100 external options. Just be aware that using a non-Shopify payment gateway has transaction fees, while Shopify payments don't. Now, after you've set up your payment methods, you can configure your shipping and tax settings under the Settings tab. This step is to make sure that your customers are charged the correct shipping fees and taxes at checkout. It's pretty straightforward, but you might need to spend a little time fine-tuning the details to match your region's requirements. But then finally, as your orders start coming in, you can manage everything from your centralized Shopify dashboard. The platform's built-in tools make it easy to process, ship, and track orders, whether you're fulfilling them yourself, using dropshipping, or even selling digital items like ebooks. Plus, Shopify automatically sends out order confirmations and tracking updates to your customers, which helps maintain a smooth and hassle-free buying experience. Overall, Shopify streamlines every aspect of running an online store, from initial setup to daily order management. And while there are a few minor details like extra fees for certain payment processors or the need for careful organization when managing a broad catalog of products, Shopify's powerful features and ease of use make it a sensible choice for anyone starting out in the e-commerce space. Now, jumping over to their plans and pricing, Shopify offers a range of options with different features designed to suit businesses at every stage. So, I've covered the free trial already, but if you want to move forward and commit to managing your business with Shopify long term, then they got a few different packages you can choose from. Starting off with Shopify's basic plan is perfect if you're just starting out, because it gives you the essentials like unlimited products, a free SSL certificate, and basic reporting features, so you can launch your store quickly without a hefty upfront investment. And if you choose a yearly payment option, it'll run you around $30 a month. But as your business grows, you might want to consider upgrading to the Shopify plan for just under $80 a month. This plan will get you more advanced features like professional reports, better shipping discounts, and lower credit card fees, which can really help streamline your operations as your sales grow. And for those with higher volume sales and more complex needs, the advanced Shopify plan comes in at around $300 per month, and it provides even more upgraded features like advanced reporting and third-party calculated shipping rates. So if any of these plans sound like the right match for you and you're interested in trying Shopify for your business, you can use the affiliate link in the description. It won't cost you anything extra and you'll get our discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. All right, now, like I've mentioned, I've used Shopify to build and manage a couple of my own websites. So based on my own experience, here's what I love about it, as well as a few things to keep in mind. Now, one of the biggest advantages of Shopify is how easy it is to use for all skill levels. The drag and drop builder and professionally designed templates make setting up your store super straightforward, even if you're not a tech expert. Every time I use it, I'm always impressed by how quickly I can get a polished, professional site up and running. It's clear that the platform is designed with simplicity in mind, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to launch an online business without a steep learning curve. And adding products is just as simple. The product management dashboard lets you upload images, write descriptions, set prices, and manage inventory with ease. I particularly appreciate the bulk import feature. It saves so much time when you're dealing with large product catalogs. Plus, Shopify gives you lots of flexibility to support multiple product variants, allowing you to offer different sizes, colors, or styles without any hassle. But one small thing to note here is that if your catalog starts to grow really large, you might need to spend a bit more time organizing everything, but in general, it's a pretty smooth process. Now, another major advantage is Shopify's extensive app ecosystem. The Shopify App Store features thousands of apps that can extend your store's functionality. Whether you need marketing automation, advanced analytics, or streamlined shipping solutions, I've installed quite a few of these on my sites to handle things like email marketing and social media integration. But while many apps are free or reasonably priced, it's good to keep in mind that some premium features might require additional budgeting. This isn't a deal breaker by any means, but it's something to consider as your store evolves. Which brings me to my favorite thing about Shopify by far, scalability. Whether you're just starting out or already running a high traffic store, their range of plans allow you to add extra features as your business grows. I've seen firsthand how smoothly you can upgrade or integrate new apps, which makes scaling your operations relatively painless. It's a system that's built to grow with you. It's also nice to know that Shopify takes care of hosting, security, and performance behind the scenes. The platform handles server maintenance, automatic backups, and includes SSL certification to keep your site safe. This means you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about the technical side of things. Now, a minor consideration here is that while the technical upkeep is mostly managed for you, sometimes you might need to review settings or updates to ensure everything is running at its best. But in short, I've really been enjoying Shopify for managing my businesses. Its comprehensive feature set, ease of use, and robust support make it a powerful tool for anyone looking to launch or grow an online store. So if you're looking to build an e-commerce site, Shopify is definitely worth checking out. Okay, so while Shopify features are great for supporting a broad range of businesses and technical skill levels, other popular alternatives like WooCommerce and BigCommerce bring their own unique approaches to building an online store. So let's see how they compare. Now, in my experience, Shopify really stands out for its all-in-one user-friendly interface. It's designed to handle everything from hosting and security to payments and order management, which means you can get your store up and running quickly without needing a lot of technical know-how. WooCommerce, on the other hand, works a little differently. Designed as a plugin for WordPress, WooCommerce allows for added customization. If you're already comfortable with WordPress, WooCommerce lets you personalize nearly every aspect of your store. However, that flexibility comes at a price. Unlike with Shopify, you'll need to manage your own hosting, security, and updates, which can be a steep learning curve if you're not super tech savvy. Now, in my experience, WooCommerce is great for those who want complete control, but that control requires more hands-on management and technical upkeep. And then there's BigCommerce, which is another standout option with a ton of built-in features. It's comparable to Shopify in that it's a hosted solution. So you don't need to worry about technical issues that come with hosting through a third party. Plus, it offers robust tools right out of the box, meaning you might not need to rely on as many external apps as you would with Shopify. However, I've noticed that BigCommerce's pricing structure and growth thresholds can be less flexible for smaller scale stores. With that in mind, it can be a good option if you're planning on scaling up quickly, but if you're just starting out, Shopify's intuitive setup and extensive support network could be a better fit. And all in all, Shopify excels with its simplicity and integrated service, making it a top choice for many new and growing businesses. Meanwhile, WooCommerce is ideal if you value options for detailed and hands-on customization and are comfortable navigating the technical side of WordPress. BigCommerce, on the other hand, is a robust option for stores with ambitions for high growth. Now, Each platform has its strengths and a few minor drawbacks, so the right choice ultimately depends on your long-term business goals, your budget, and your technical skills. So to wrap things up, if you've been searching for an e-commerce platform that can give you the tools to scale your business in a user-friendly package, Shopify is my go-to recommendation. Its all-in-one management suite covers everything you need to get your business off the ground, from hosting and security to design. So you can focus on growing your brand, whether you're launching your first store or scaling up your current business. Shopify is a great place to start. And that's all for this review. I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos just like this. As a reminder, if you want to get started with Shopify, then you can check out the affiliate link in the description below at no extra cost to get a discount that you won't find through their website. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so please leave your questions or comments down below, and I'll try to get back to them as fast as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.